Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to ISSB Guide Series Part 110. Today we will discuss in this video about GTO's Indoor Tasks. Group discussion, lecture topic and group planning are major indoor tasks of GTO. How you have to perform in these tasks and what are major changes which are included in these tasks of ISSB. Let's discuss these. Before starting video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So first question arises that when these tasks are taken from you, so the answer is indoor tasks are taken on third day of ISSB, which is also known as second testing day. Okay, when you arrive at ISSB on your first day, that day is not your testing day. On that day you are allotted rooms and you fill many of forms and all that process. Okay, that is not your testing day. Your testing day starts from the second day when you give your psychological test. Okay, keep that in your mind. And after psychological test on the third day, which is second testing day of ISSB, on that day you are assessed by group testing officer. On that day, when you will arrive in Johor Hall, you will be the whole batch of ISSB will be divided in small groups of 10 to 12 members. Each group will be given to a group testing officer, which will assess all of you individually and a group as a whole. Okay, so the major changes in this tasks are these tasks have been made compulsory. English has been made compulsory for these tasks. That is the reason I am talking with you all in English language today. So the first indoor task is a group discussion. When you will be given a group testing officer and you would be divided in a group, so your group will be headed by a group testing officer to a room, to a closed room where there will be chairs and a table, and where GTO will ask all of you to introduce yourself. There you have to introduce yourself one by one as per your chest number. Okay, after introducing yourself you have to sit on those chairs, and after that your first task will begin, and that task is group discussion. In group discussion you are given a topic with 20 minutes time to discuss that topic. And the tips for these tasks are you should be the first group member to initiate the group discussion, to speak in group discussion on that topic, if only if you have sufficient and accurate understanding of the topic. If you have much knowledge about the topic, you should speak first. But if you don't have proper idea of the topic, and you are confused about the topic, that what is asked in that topic, then stop, let others speak about the topic. When they will speak, you will get an idea of the topic, that what is being discussed, and you would be able to participate, and you should have to participate then. Minimum you have to speak twice in that group discussion. It is minimum. Okay, and if you are much active in that group discussion, so you have another duty, which is to encourage weak candidates which are not participating in group discussion. Okay, and later I will also give you the simple group discussion topics also. The next task after group discussion would be lecturette topic. So in lecturette topic, each group member will be given a topic, and he will be sent out of the room for 2 minutes to think on that topic. He has to think on that topic for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes he will be called in the room, where he will deliver lecture on that topic for 2 minutes. The whole process will be applied to each group member. So tips for these tasks are, when you will be given 2 minutes to think on topic, try to mind map that topic. First, introduction, introduce your topic and give supporting points, and after that, necessary thing is conclude your topic. Don't not beat about the bush because you have only 2 minutes. Okay, so try to speak systematically and conclude your lecture. After this lecture topic, here are some sample topics for group discussion and lecture topic. These are in Urdu language because some months ago these tasks were in there was no compulsion, there was no compulsory English language in these tasks. That is why these are in Urdu language. But now when you will arrive in ISSB, these will be in English language. So translate these in English language and practice with your colleagues, with your friends, with your family members, with your teachers. Okay, and you can also participate. You can also give your ideas, knowledge on these topics in comment section. We will also try to analyze them and suggest you some ideas. Okay. After that, another task of indoor task, which is group planning. This is the last indoor task, and in this task, the whole group is shown a structure or a map. That will be briefed by your group testing officer. Your group testing officer will brief you about that map, that this is the hurdle, and you are commanding of you whole group is the commanding officers of that mission, and that mission is given to you. You have these resources, you have this manpower, you have these vehicles, and you have to make a plan and execute it. So the whole group will be given some time to make a plan. So be cooperative with group and try to remember what data GTO has told to you, that how many vehicles do you have, and where are the hostages, or where is that thing which you are in search of, etc. Okay, and after that, when this task would be over, GTO will ask the group for who will brief me the group plan. Okay, so try to be speaker of that group, try to be spokesperson of that group, and brief the group plan to the group testing officer. By ending of group planning, your indoor tasks would be ended, and you will be given time to change your dress and go to obstacle area. So today's video is over here. Today I talked in English language because these tasks would be in English language, so you have to practice for English language. You have to speak English language fluently. What are suggestions to speak English fluently? That is practice makes man perfect. Speak English language everywhere, in your family and your friend circle and with your teachers and so on. Practice English language, and it is the easiest language. It is not difficult. Okay, and our next video will be on GTO's outdoor tasks. Thank you for your precious time, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.